Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.